Is your AC running but your home still isn't cooling down? Novak Heating, Air and Duct Cleaning has been helping Cedar Rapids homeowners solve stubborn cooling issues since 1934. If your system sounds like it's working but the air feels warm, it could be something as simple as incorrect thermostat settings or a clogged air filter. Sometimes blocked vents, dirty outdoor units, or frozen evaporator coils can also be the culprit. Low refrigerant, a failing capacitor, or issues with the condenser fan can keep your AC from delivering cold air, even though it's running. In some cases, leaky ductwork or an undersized system could be to blame, especially if you notice uneven temperatures from room to room. Regular maintenance, like changing filters and keeping the outdoor unit clear, can help prevent many of these problems. Still not sure why your AC isn't cooling? Novak's certified technicians are ready to diagnose and fix the issue. Call Novak today at 319-364-4626 to schedule your service and stay comfortable all summer.